Leatherman recently launched 5 new knives. Let's go over them one by one. There's been quite a lot of talk about it on the internet already, but let's get our first impression. Let's see. I'll start with the Pioneer. It's the most robust of the 5 knives they launched. It has orange G-tail scales, MagnaCut full tang blade, kind of a Scandi grind, secondary V-edge. Yeah, really sturdy camp knife if you want to chop some wood or make some firewood. To make the fire, of course, it's very useful to have a fire steel with you. One of the jimpings here in the blade has a 90-degree angle, so it's perfect for using a ferro rod. It comes with a Kydex and leather sheet, so the back is leather, front is Kydex. Makes it very durable to use, and it's just fits really well. Doesn't come out at all. Even they thought of adding a little bit of leather here, so it doesn't leave any marks on the knife. So really well thought out. The detailing and the way it's finished is just very well done. Comes with the Leatherman logo here in the handle as well. Yeah, beautiful knife. Now one step down to a bushcraft knife, a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter, is the Track, Leatherman Track. Comes with brown G10 and black G10. This actually has a hollow ground blade, so it's very well done. Also has the jimping here for good grip. All around very, very good bushcraft knife. The black version comes with a brown sheath, and the brown G10 version comes with a black leather sheath, which has multiple carry options, scout carry, also belt carry on left and right side. So yeah, very, very well thought out again. Next up is more of a bushcraft camp knife, outdoor cooking knife, also MagnaCut. This one is not hollow ground but flat ground, makes it very thin at the edge. Also has some jimping, Leatherman logo in the handle, and the full flat grind and the height of the blade makes it perfect for cooking, outdoor cooking. The evergreen version G10 handle comes with an orange Kydex sheath, and this gray version with the almost neon yellow Leatherman logo comes with a black Kydex sheath, and it just fits very well, very easy to access. Next up, let's talk about their new pocket knives. We'll start with the Leatherman Glider, which has a sheep's foot blade, also hollow ground MagnaCut. Thumb stud is removable. Also the pocket clip is reversible or removable if you want. It has their new kind of a button look, but it's a compression wedge look, patent pending by Leatherman. Really sturdy, very, very safe to use. Very nice. One other thing to note about their handles, there are not any hardware or backspacers. So it's basically I have them here, 2 handle scales, milled out to make it very lightweight. And to make this fit this well, they work with very small margins, and it's really well done. Also polished here on the sides. There's been quite a lot of talk about why they did not use titanium for the handles. It's of course more expensive and harder to mill, but also they've said to make it this lightweight and this strong, it was best to use steel. The whole knife only consists of 12 parts because the way the handle was made, it's very easy to open, clean, and adjust to your liking. It comes with a lanyard, and in typical Leatherman way, of course, they need to have a little bit of an extra tool. So this is a bit holder, and with it you can open the knife with the pivot screw, or here change the pocket clip and switch it around if you want left-hand carry, for example. Also, it's a 2-sided bit set, so one side is for the removable thumb stud, and one is for the pivot and the pocket clip screw. Also comes in a beautiful jet black version with a red thumb stud. Next up is the Blazer. Also very EDC friendly knife. Comes with a drop point MagnaCut blade with a hollow ground as well. We have the denim Cerakote coating here, and this one also comes in a just stainless steel milled version. No coating on it at all. What's beautiful here, same for the glider actually, is the faceting here on the handle. So the whole also has the 2 handle scales, not scales but handles. And the way they made that is just very, very well done. So it's a little bit more universal with the drop point blade. But also again very perfect for EDC. Also comes with the lanyard and the Torx. So that's it. Let me know what you think about their knives. They've actually opened up a new factory, Leatherman South, to create all these knives the way they do it, and the way they will be doing it in the future is just amazing to see. So very good quality. Attention to detail is on point. Can't wait what they come up with next. Get yours at knivestools.com.